When CAD was first extended to 3D, users began to talk about CAD models. And any 3D CAD design is legitimately a 3D computer graphical representation, a model of a design. But the 3D graphic representation of design is only one aspect of what can be modeled. Modeling can include much more than graphics, and here's a few examples of what could be included in a model. Spatial relationships. The classic example of this is, say, collision analysis, which considers that two physical objects cannot occupy the same space at the same time. Structural analysis. This requires not only a 3D structural design, but information on the behavior and the load-bearing strength of the structural components. What about lighting analysis, which might consider both natural lighting throughout the day and artificial lighting? Connectivity analysis, which can apply to almost every building system, including, for example, water, wastewater, electric, HVAC. And energy analysis, to consider the overall energy budget and requirements for a building or facility. How about material cost analysis, including analysis of different material options? And I can go on to construction cost analysis, which can consider different construction options. As you can see, modeling is a broad topic, and it's important to be clear about what you mean and what others mean when you talk about the model. So let me give you an example. You're a developer. You hire a consultant to create a design. And in your RFP, you ask that the consultant provide you with the design model. Does that mean you only want a 3D graphical model? Or do you want the data to perform energy analysis? Or to do structural analysis? Or the model is going to be used to determine construction costs, or what? So here's a really important takeaway. Know what you mean when you use the word model. In Chapter 5, I'll touch on the challenge of writing a good BIM RFP. As you can see here, simply saying design should be done using a 3D model does not provide anywhere near enough information about what you really want.